Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday evening, our meditation practice. Firstly, we can start our meditation, then we can discuss about some Dhamma. Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. Keep your back straight as much as you can, and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. It is very important to keep your mind and body relaxed. Maybe it is so long day for you. Maybe so many things going on in your mind. Please keep everything behind you. Relax your mind and relax your body. Let's practice loving kindness meditation. Say to yourself, wish to yourself, and bless to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be free from inner and outer dangers. May I be feel connected and calm. May I be well in mind and body. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be able to find noble friends. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your all family members. Imagine their faces individually. Maybe this time you can't visit some of your family, but we can connect each other heart to heart. Imagine their faces individually. If you have any difficult time with someone, please let it go and send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May all my family members be filled with loving kindness. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in mind and body. May they be able to take care of themselves strong and happily. May not any harm come to them. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. In this moment, we all are developing our loving thoughts. Think you are the one of the loveliest person right now in this world. Your heart is full of love. We can send that all the beautiful blessings towards to this world. Send your loving thoughts without any discrimination. May all the living beings be filled with loving kindness. May they feel connected and calm. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in mind and body. May all the living beings be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be able to find peaceful, relaxed and healthy environment. May all the living beings be strong and healthy mentally and physically. If you want to change your posture, you can do it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. Now it is time to think about your difficult one. If you have any difficult people in your life, think of them. No need to get anger. Try to send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be filled with loving kindness. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be well in mind and body. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Now we can practice mindfulness meditation. Slowly focus your attention to subtle sensation of the breath. No need to control your breath. Just focus your natural, ordinary breath. Bring your attention to the tip of your nose and take each breath mindfully. So many sounds, thoughts, sensations may distract you. Let them come and go. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. No need to think about your future or your past memories. Just enjoy this present moment. When you are breathing, you can see long breath in and out, short breath in and out. If you see long breath, think I am taking long breath. Same time, when you see short breath, think I am taking short breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. If you are distracted by thoughts, understand and please come back to the breath. Mindfulness meditation means introspection. It's mean we are going to explore our inside. We are going to explore our thoughts. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Try to practice this meditation every day, at least 5 or 10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining with us. So today I would like to share with you a very little message. Before that, I would like to share with you a little story. One day, one of professor was thinking, I want to find a good explanation for religion word. He was thinking, I really want to find good answer for this. We know there are over 3,000 religions in this world right now. You can see, you can learn. Then that professor was looking for some good answer. What he did, he went to find good answer for different places, but he couldn't find any good answer. What happened? Finally, he went to one of temple. Then he met a chief monk. Then he asked, Bhante, why I came here? I want to know what is the definition for religion word. He said, please give me a simple answer. Then that chief monk, what he said, my dear friend, this is the simple answer for religion word. What is my answer? Silent. Silent is the religion. Then that professor, he confused because he didn't expect that kind of answer. Then that professor asked again, how I can develop, how I can practice silent. Then that teacher said again, if you want to practice silent, you have to practice meditation. Then that teacher asked again, that professor asked again, what is the meditation mean? That teacher said again, meditation is silent. So now just think, today almost 25 minutes, we all were so silent. We just practice meditation. We observe about our mind. We explore about our thoughts. While we are practicing meditation, we can see so many thoughts come and go. In Pali language, we call bhavana. In English, who translate that word to English, he said mindfulness. And there are good definition we call introspection. It is mean looking inward. While we are practicing meditation, we are going to look inward. We are going to explore our inside. So there are so many thoughts you can see. What Buddha said we have to understand our thoughts. There are thousands thoughts always come to our mind, and they are arising and disappearing. So many thoughts. There are two thoughts I would like to give you attention. There are one thoughts, we are always talking about this. We have to think about let go. We have to practice letting go. And next one is acceptance. I think these two words very powerful, but we always have to think about it. Why I am telling about these two words? These days I also think about these two words, and I'm trying to practice more about letting go and acceptance. We all are very close to New Year. We all had some kind of difficult time this year. We all are experiencing something unusual this year. It is so difficult, it is so hard, but we are always wishing we will have a different new year. But we always have to think about these two words, let go and acceptance. If you practice these two words, if you think about these two words, you can enjoy your life very simply and very peacefully. Sometimes letting go, it is not easy. I mean, if you have some difficult time with someone, if you have some difficult thoughts in your mind, it is not easy to let go. But if you keep hold that everything what happened, you are keep worrying, you are keep suffering, you are keep creating bad energies within yourself. So that's why it is very important to think about let go. If you practice, it means you are creating beautiful space in your mind. So I think this year we are close to New Year. After 2 weeks we are going to enjoy our New Year. So try to let go what so many thoughts may be in your mind, some difficult times, some difficult thoughts. Try to let go that everything. And also at the same time, try to think about acceptance. Whatever comes to our life, we have to accept, because we don't know what's going to happen next week, next month. But if you are practicing this acceptance, also you are enjoying this life very peacefully and relaxed. It means you are getting ready for everything, whatever comes to our life. What Buddha said, contentment is the most greatest wealth. If you practice let go and acceptance, it is mean you are a very peaceful person. You are experiencing your beautiful contentment. So try to think about these two words, letting go and acceptance. It is not easy to practice, but if you are practicing these two words, it means you are creating beautiful space in your life, in your mind. So think about these two words. It is very important. Now we, all the monks, we are going to chant. We are going to do a special blessing for you. You can listen in this chant lovingly and kindly. Also during the chanting time, you can practice loving kindness meditation. You can think about your family members, your friends. As I told you, maybe this year most of you can visit your family, but we can connect to heart, so you can think of them. You can send these loving and kind thoughts towards to them. Listen in this chant lovingly and kindly. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagavarahan samma sambuddhassa. Vijja charana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuntaro purisa dhamma sarati santa deva manusanam buddho bhagavata Swakato bhagavata dhammo sandintiko akaliko ehipan ඕපනයිකෝ පංචත්තං වේදිතම්බෝ විඤ්ඤෝයේති සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ ජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුං ඒස භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණේයෝ අනුත්තරම් පුඤ්ඤං කෙන්තං ලෝකස්සාති තේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා උපසමින්තුතේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන භයාවූපසමින්තුතේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගාවූපසමින්තුතේ ආනේද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තරින්කේ සම්බේව භූතා සුමනා භවන්තු අතෝපි සක්කච්ච සුනන්තු බාසිතං තස්මාහි භූතා නිසාමේත සම්බේ මෙත්තං කරෝත මානුසියා පජාය දිවාචරත්තෝච හරන්තේ බලෙන් තස්මාහිනේ රංකත අප්පමන්තායං කිංචි විත්තං ඉදවාහුරං සග්ගේසු වායං රතනම් පනේතං නනෝ සමං අත්ති තථාගතේන ඉදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු කයං විරාගං අමතං පනේතං යදාජ්ජගාසක්්‍ය මුනි සමාහිතෝ නතේන ධම්මේන සමත්තිකින්චි ඉදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු යම් බුද්දසෙන්තෝ පරිවන්නයේ සුචින් සමාධිමානන්තරිකඤ්ඤමා වූ සමාධිනාතේන සමෝන විජ්ජති ඉදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු ඒ පුග්ගලා සතම්ප සත්තා චත්තාරේ තානි යුගානි අන්ති තේ දක්ඛිනේයා සුගතස්ස ශාවකායේ තේ සුදින්නානි මහප්පලානි ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවත්ති හෝතු සුප්පයුත්තා මනසා දල්ලේන නික්ඛාමිනෝ ගෝතම සාසනම් තේ පත්ති පන්තාම තං විගයිහ ලද්දා මුදා නිබ්බුතිම් භංජමානා ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු යත්හින්ද කේලෝ පඨවෙන් සිතෝසියා චතුබ්බිවා දේවි අසම්පකම්පියෝ තතුපමන් සප්පුරිසං වදාමේයෝ අරිය සච්චානි අවෙච්ච පන්සති දම්පි සංගේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු සච්චානි විභාවයන්ති ගම්බීර පඤ්ඤේන සුදේසිතානි කිංචාපිතේ බුසප්පමන්තානතේ බවං අට්ඨමං ආදියන්ති දම්පි සංගේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවත්ති හෝතු සහවස්ස දස්සන සම්පදාය තයසු ධම්මා ජහිතා භවන්ති සක්කාය දිට්ඨි විචිකිච්ඡිතං ච සීලබ්බතං යදාති කිංචි චතුහ පායේ හිච විප්පමුත්තෝ චචාබිතානානි අබබ්බෝකාතුං ඉදම්පි සංගේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු කිංචාපි සෝ කම්මං කරෝති පාපකං කායේන වාචා උදචේතසාවා බම්බෝ සෝතස්ස පටිච්චාදාය අබබ්බතාදින්ද පදස්ස වුන්තායි දම්පි සංගේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු අනාප්පගුම්බේ යතා පුස්සිතංගේ ගිම්මාන පටමස්මින් ගෙම්මේ තතුපමන් ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි නිබ්බාන ගාමින් පරමං හිතාය ඉදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු වරෝ වරඤ්ඤෝ වරදෝ වරාරෝ අනුත්තරෝ ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි දම්පි බුද්දේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු කීනම් පුරාණං නවන්නත්ති සම්භවං විරත් චිත්තායතිකේ බවස්මෙන් තේ කීන බීජා අවිරුල් නිබ්බන්ති ධීරායතායම් පදීපෝ ඉදම්පි සංගේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තරික්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං බුද්ධං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු යානේද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං ධම්මං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු යානේද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං සංඝං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා උපසමෙන්තු තේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන භයාවූප සමින්තු තේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගාවූප සමින්තු තේ සම්බේතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනාසතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛේ දීඝායුකෝ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ නක්ඛත් යක්ඛ භූතානං පාපග්ගා නිවාරණා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන අන්තු තේසං ආකාසට්ඨා ච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ඨා ච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ඨා ච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. Have a good night.